If you're feeling lost, if your heart feels broken, tired, or overwhelmed, pause for a moment and pray this with me. God, right now I need comfort. My heart feels heavy, and the weight I'm carrying feels hard to explain. Some moments feel lonely, and some wounds still ache quietly inside me. Lord, you see every tear I've cried, even the ones no one else knows about. You know the places that hurt, and the thoughts that won't seem to rest. So right now, I come to you just as I am. Not strong, not put together, just needing your peace. God, wrap me in your loving arms. Let me feel your presence close to me in this moment. Remind my heart that I am not alone, even when it feels that way. Heal the places inside me that feel broken or bruised, the memories that still sting, the disappointments that linger. The fears I try to push away. Quiet my racing thoughts, Lord. Calm my anxious heart. Help me breathe again when everything feels overwhelming. When I feel weak, remind me that you are my strength. When I feel unsafe, remind me that you are my refuge. When I feel uncertain, remind me that you are steady and faithful. God, let your peace surround me like a warm blanket. Let it settle my spirit and soften the heaviness inside me. Let it remind me that this moment does not define my future. Even when answers don't come right away, help me trust that you are near. Even when healing feels slow, help me believe you are working. Even when I don't understand, help me rest in your love. Thank you for being my safe place. Thank you for staying with me through every season. Thank you for never leaving, even when I feel broken. Right now, I choose to lean on you. I release what I cannot carry anymore. I receive your comfort, your peace, and your gentle care. You are my refuge. You are my safety. You are my constant help. Amen. Type comfort me if you're resting in God's peace right now.